You're a superhero.
Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to scan and share documents directly from WhatsApp on your iPhone. Let's get started. Open WhatsApp on your iPhone and navigate to the chat where you want to share the document. Tap the plus button at the bottom left corner to open the options menu. From the menu that pops up, choose Document. Tap on Scan Document. This will open your iPhone's built-in scanner. The scanner uses auto capture to scan automatically. For manual control, tap Auto in the top right and select Manual. After scanning the document, tap Save in the bottom right corner. Once saved, tap the send icon to share the document directly in the chat. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.